This video is a value bomb. What's going on, people? It's your boy, the beast of Ecom, back dropping nothing but you already know value bombs. If this is the first time ever watching one of my videos, then where have you been? If you're into e-commerce and you're into Shopify and you're into dropshipping, then you are in the right place. I drop videos on a weekly basis, nothing but pure value. So if you get some value from this video, please do like, comment, and of course smash that subscribe button, and don't forget to hit the notification bell as well so you stay up to date with all of my latest videos. And if it isn't the first time ever watching one of my videos, then it's nice to see you again. So in today's video, I want to show you how to write a winning product description, a product description that helps you convert. Now, in one of my other videos, I was looking at other different Shopify stores, and the biggest problem that I was finding on these stores is that their product description absolutely sucked. Now, if your product descriptions are not on point, you got to remember you're not going to get the add to cart. And I get a lot of questions all of the time of, I'm getting traffic, but I ain't getting add to carts. Well, have a look at your product description. Does it actually want to make the person click the add to cart button? If not, you need to change it. Watch this video and implement what I teach. Right now I'm working on some absolute massive things, and I can't wait to bring them out and unreveal more in due time. But in the meantime, make sure you stay to the end, watch all of the video, and most importantly, implement and get these product descriptions on point. So let's jump into the computer and let's start learning. Right, let's jump straight into this one, and this one's full of value. If you do like this one, you're gonna absolutely love what I've got coming very soon. But let's jump into this one on how you can increase your conversion rate with great product descriptions. What are these high converting product descriptions look like? I'm gonna break it down, okay, completely. So let's get going. I'm back with the presentation actually as well. I know that people like the presentation, the way I use the presentations, and I got my little WYSIWYG thing here. So let's crack on. If there's anything that you get from this video, okay, absolutely anything, this is the thing that I want you to get through. Sell a good night's sleep, not the mattress, okay? Sell a good night's sleep and not the mattress. This is going to be the basis of this whole presentation, and you're going to understand it in much more detail as I go through the slides in a bit. But I want you to understand this, okay? Sell a good night's sleep and not the mattress, okay? Benefits, not features. But let's crack on with it and how you can actually do it, and look at some examples as well. So the importance of copywriting. Now you don't have to be great at English, you don't have to be great at copywriting, but you can learn these things, okay? You can learn how to be a good copywriter. You can learn what makes a good copyright, and how to actually become good at writing descriptions. Now the first thing you need to understand is do not copy and paste descriptions from Aliexpress, okay? And when I was reviewing websites, I've got a video out on reviewing Shopify stores. I may do another one quite soon, actually. So yeah, I'm reviewing some of the Shopify stores, and some of the product descriptions were horrendous. They were absolutely awful. They were just a bunch of, it was literally just copy and pasting from Aliexpress, which you do not want to do, okay? Please avoid at all costs. Do not copy and paste from Aliexpress, okay? You're not going to get conversions if you literally just copy and pasting. Now, customers do not care about the features of a product. For example, the weights, how much it weighs. Is it 30 grams? Is it 60 mil? What are the dimensions? Is it 4 inches by 5 inches? And all these sorts of jazz, how many batteries it has, what charging socket it uses. All this sort of jazz are not going to be the reason why the person converts. It's not going to be primarily what they base their decision on to purchase the product, okay? So customers do not care about the features of the product. If it's 40 grams and not 30 grams, they're not going to think, oh damn, I don't want that, forget about that. That's not going to be the decision, okay? So customers do not care about the features of the product. It's as simple as that. Now you have to sell the benefits and not the features. benefits are very different from features. A lot of people who don't understand copywriting get a little bit confused. Now, I'm going to show you some examples of a bad description and a good description. But in short, a benefit is what it does for the person. Okay, like say for example, a sat nav. A sat nav feature would be, you know, tons of maps or something like that. Maps to travel across Europe. But the benefits of it is that you never get lost. Okay, so you'd never get lost anywhere. You know, always know where you're going, never get lost, you know, stuff like that. So it's turning the features into a benefit, and the benefit is what it actually does for the customer, how it makes them feel, how it improves their life, etc., etc. So speak to their passions. Now, this is if you're selling a product which is not something that solves a problem. Say, for example, a cat watch or something like that. The cat watch does not solve a problem, but you have to speak to their passions. You know, how are they going to feel to other cat owners, etc., if they're wearing that watch? So if you're selling a product which isn't solving a problem, then you have to be speaking to their passions. Remember, people buy with logic, people buy with emotion and not logic. All purchases, well, 99% of purchases are based on emotion and not logic, okay? It's the reason why people go out and buy 30 grand Rolexes and not a 15 pound Casio when they do the exact same thing, just tell the time, okay? People who go out and buy Rolexes, you know, Rolex itself is, you know, high status, high quality, craftsmanship and all these sorts of things. So people, when you go out and buy a 30 grand Rolex, okay, you're buying into that, okay? You're buying it so that when you wear it, people, you know, can see that you're a part of that luxury, you're part of that brand. You know, you get an elevated status when you wear a Rolex rather than a 15 pound Casio, when they do exactly the same thing, okay? So people buy with emotion, and the emotion is tied to the product rather than just being logical. Remember, people only care about what the product will do for them. How will it solve their problem? How will it make them feel? Okay, like I've mentioned with the example with the Rolex and the Casio. Okay, so that's what you have to be doing. People are very selfish people, and they only care about what the product will do for them. Now let's actually have a look at a bad product description. So this product here is a dog carrier case, dog car carrier. The dog can sit in it and take a ride with their owner, whatever it may be, in any sort of destination. It keeps them in one place, and you know, you don't get a dirty car. So here's something that is just copy and paste from Aliexpress. You know, here's a bad title. Specifications, like I mentioned, which most of the time isn't even relevant. Irrelevant, sorry. So, you know, waterproof nylon, sizes, colors it comes in. Now here are some of the features. Now if you just copy from Aliexpress, okay, most of the time their native language is not English. Well, it pretty much is not English. So most of the time it's broken English as well, so it's harder to read. So waterproof fabric, easy to wash, with plastic buckle and adjustable strap, easy to fit on seats, excellent seat protection from scratches, dog hair, or muddy paws on your automotive seats. No one says automotive seats, okay? This is just a word that, you know, no one would really use. So, you know, this is a bad description, okay? And something that you would not want to use on your store. Now, if you're using stuff like this and you're not getting add to carts, you know your reason why. But now that we've seen a bad one, let's actually look at a good one, okay? Now, this is something that I literally just came up with and knocked together based on the same product. So, a deluxe travel buddy car cover. Take your dog on travels and enjoy a dirt-free, clean car afterwards. The #1 best-selling dog product 2018. Now, moving on. That's a bold title straight away, okay? It's in your face and it tells you exactly what it does. Are you tired of having to clean your car after every car trip? Or does your dog run everywhere when it's car time? Right away, I'm posing questions, okay? I'm agitating that problem. I'm taking them right back to that feeling that they've had when they've had to clean their car, you know, in that horrible moment. Well, we have just the thing for you with this deluxe travel buddy car cover. Then obviously we're stating that we have the solution, which right away they're going to read to the rest of the end of the page to find out what the solution is. Now you can take your dog anywhere without the stress or hassle. It's easy to install and has a universal fit. The non-slip durable material means your dog will be secure and safe while you head to your destination. Plus, it's 100% waterproof, so you don't have to worry about any spillage. Your seats will forever stay looking brand new, free from muddy paws, while your dog can enjoy the ride. So in those next sections, we're talking about the benefits of the product and not the actual features. We're talking about the features, but we're showing them as benefits, okay? Being safe and secure, not worrying about any spillage, all these sorts of things. We're relating the features to the benefits, okay? Moving on. PS, it's save 50% off today only. Why make your next trip stressful when you don't have to? Get yours by clicking add to cart above. Now, and then of course, due to demand, your product may take X time, whatever you put on there. And then we've got the specification and the features down here. So in these last two lines, what we're doing here is stating the scarcity, okay? They only get 50% off today only. And then we're posing a question to make them justify the purchase, okay? Why make their next trip stressful when they don't have to? We have the easy solution. And then of course, there's a big, bold call to action, because call to actions always work by giving people direction on what they actually need to do, okay? And then of course, you need to put in the time frames and all those sorts of things. So as you can see, the complete two differences between the two, okay? And if you're reading this and if you're watching this video, and your product descriptions are not on point and you've got a winner or whatever it may be, and your product description is not on point, go and have a look at it and make those changes now. Now, here's a little tip, okay? Utilizing Amazon. So what can you do by utilizing Amazon? You can use Amazon to find some similar products to see what questions customers are asking and answer them in your product description, okay? As you can see here, people are going to always ask questions. If you're selling a product, 9 times out of 10, there's a similar product on Amazon and people are asking questions. Those people asking the questions are going to be the people who are more likely to purchase your product. So why not answer them in your description prior to them purchasing? So can this seat be used in the front or back seat of the car? You can answer that in your product description. And, is this material waterproof? If it is, put it in your product description like I've mentioned, okay? So they're just a little tip on Amazon that you can use. And another tip is check the reviews to see what else you can include in your description, okay? What do I mean by that? Well, people are going to be leaving reviews on the product, on the similar products that you'll be selling. What you can use, and you can look at the reviews and pick out things that you can use in your description. So my last pup loved this car ride, but was all over the place. So my last pup loved this car ride, was all over the place, leaving hair in the seats, taking forever to clean. What you can then do is obviously pick that out and put that in your description, okay? You can see how powerful using Amazon actually is. And okay, love this booster. My little pup loves the car. I love to bring him along. However, he can't be left untethered. He's all over the place. I don't care for the little standard belt tethers. So you literally just take that out, okay? This product is better than those little standard belt tethers. Keeps your dog in one place, etc., etc., etc. So you can see how powerful using Amazon actually is. Remember, sell the good night's sleep and not the mattress. That's the one thing I'm trying to get across to you guys. Nothing but, you already know, value bombs. So as usual, I hope you got some value from this video. If you did, please do like, comment, and of course, smash that subscribe button. And make sure you hit the notification bell as well so you stay up to date with all of my latest content. You do not want to miss out on any of my upcoming value. We're nearly at 10,000 subscribers. We're growing and it's fantastic. So make sure you do subscribe if you get some value. So now that you can see the difference between the two, go straight to your website and have a look at how you can actually improve your product descriptions. Are you talking about the benefits or are you talking about the features? If you're talking about just the features, then turn them into benefits. I've got a free Facebook mastermind. The link will be down below. I'm in there, other marketers are in there. We're currently at 3,000 members now and we're growing every single day. So get in there, it's 100% free, and network with people who are doing exactly the same. Hit me up on Instagram, drop me a like, drop me a DM, drop me a follow, and we can try and connect on there. Now, that is it for this video. Again, I hope you got some value, and I'll be back with another one dropping nothing but you already know. Value bombs. Take care, and I'll see you later.
No act, yeah.